Hey guys, welcome. Today I just want to talk about sterile processing again. What is sterile processing? Basically, sterile processing is a profession that is responsible for cleaning, disinfecting, assembling, sterilizing, and distributing medical instruments and medical devices used throughout the healthcare. Every instrument used during surgery, emergency procedures, labor and delivery, and many other patient care activity pass through sterile processing. Without SPD profession, healthcare facilities simple could not function. So, our number one responsibility is to protect patient. When instruments are not properly cleaned and sterilized, harmful microorganisms can remain on the device. These microorganisms can cause serious infection, complication, extended hospital stay, and in some cases, death. Every tray assembled correctly and every sterilization cycle complete properly helps reduce the risk of healthcare associated infection. Sterile processing professions are often the last line of defense before an instrument reaches patient. Surgeon, nurses, and operating teams rely heavily on sterile processing. Without properly prepared instruments, surgery can be delayed or canceled. SPD ensures that the right instruments are available at the right time and in the right condition. Every successful surgery depends on teamwork, and sterile processing is a critical part of that team. Okay, so SPD protects hospital from costly errors. How we do that is that errors involving surgical instrumentation can be extremely expensive. A missing instrument, contaminated tray, or failed sterilization process can result in delayed procedure, increased costs, patient harm, regulatory violation, and legal liability. Sterile processing profession can help these issues by following strictly standard and quality control process. Many people mistakenly believe sterile processing is simple washing instrument. In reality, SPD profession must understand infection prevention, microbiology, instrument identification, sterilization science, quality assurance, regulatory standard, medical device instruction for use. This profession requires technical expertise, attention to detail, and continuous learning. So even after you do your exam, you're always learning because the medical field changes every day. So the reason sterile processing saves lives. Although patient may never meet the sterile processing technician who prepare their instruments, the work directly impacts patient outcome. Even properly sterilized instruments contribute to safe surgery and better patient care. SPD profession may work behind the scene, but their impact is felt throughout the entire healthcare system. They truly help to save lives every single day. Sterile processing may not always receive the recognition it deserves, but it remains one of the most critical functions in the healthcare. Without sterile processing profession, patients' care would not be possible. If you're a sterile processing profession, thank you for the important work that you do every day. If you're interested in learning more about sterile processing, certification tip, career path, and patient safety, be sure to subscribe to SPD Study Guide with Shalane Brown. So we're gonna go we have discovered why sterile processing procedure is very, very important. And we are the unsung heroes of healthcare. Learn how this SBD team protects patients, prevents infection, supports surgery, ensure that healthcare facility operates safely and efficiently. So come along with us as we go through what we do every day. If you find this interested, please watch this video again and come back for some more helpful tip about sterile processing. Thank you.